Namaskaram. Rudraksh Diksha 2025. Sadhguru consecrated around 3 million Rudraksh on the eve of Mahashivratri. This Rudraksh will be distributed to seekers. But how and when and who will be able to get this? We will update you on this as at the end of this video. Before going further into the details of Rudraksh Diksha 2025, let me share you something. So Rudraksh Diksha 2025. Here I am at Isha Yoga Center for Mahashivratri, and I have just been blessed with this Rudraksh Diksha kit. And as every year, Sadhguru consecrates Rudraksh to be distributed as prasadam. I think today those who attend this Mahashivratri will be blessed with this Rudraksh Diksha kit. It's my fortunate to be here a part of this Shivratri and receive this sacred Rudraksh. So this is the Rudraksh Diksha kit that we are getting in 2025. Let's see what's inside this kit. So like last year also, we are getting this Adiyogi image. The instruction sheet is there with this. Then I think this is Vibhuti. Inside Vibhuti is there. This Vibhuti has been kept in the spears of Dhyanlinga, and so that it gets that energized, and the seeker generally applies to these three chakras: Agna, Anhata and Vishuddhi. So this is the Vibhuti. Then we have this thread, black thread. There are two threads here, two black threads. So one is longer one and one shorter one. I think people have lots of confusion quite sometimes, which is to be worn as abhaya sutra and which is to be worn for the Rudraksh. So the shorter one is to be used for the Rudraksh, and the longer one is to be worn for abhaya sutra in your wrist. It's to be tied here on the wrist. And then we have this Rudraksh. So we are getting two Rudraksh with this. So both of these Rudraksh are Panchmukhi Rudraksh, and these are consecrated by Sadhguru on Shivratri. So this is the kit. It's the same as what we got in 2024. But the thing is that this Rudraksh kit is the registration for Rudraksh Diksha is not open for 2025 for people, like how it used to happen last year, that you got to register to get the free Rudraksh. But this year the registration haven't opened yet. During Mahashivratri, announcement was made that the consecrated Rudraksh, the 3 million Rudraksh that have been consecrated during Shivratri 2025, will be distributed to people who are visiting the ashram. So I am assuming that to get this kit, they will distribute in the ashram for the people who are coming from programs or certain visitors. They'll be offering this Rudraksh Diksha kit. That's what I am assuming. Because during the Mahashivratri we got this kit because we attended this event. So similarly in various programs they might offer this, but the free registrations are not open as of now for the Rudraksh Diksha 2025. So this is the update on this year's Rudraksh Diksha. Hope all this information help, and if there is any If the registrations are about to open or we get any information, we will surely share with you on this channel. Thank you so much. Namaskar.